You like me and you absolutely hate typing? Well, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to write countless paragraphs without lifting a single finger. Hello and welcome back to my channel, the place for discerning content creators and entrepreneurs looking to uplift their brand online. If you're new here, welcome. Please hit the subscribe button and remember that all the links mentioned in this video are in the description below. So let's get into it. The first step is for you to locate your Google Drive. This will only work if you already have a Google account and you've logged into that account. So if you haven't already, then you need to log into the Google account, go to the icon for Google Apps and select on it. When you select on it, it will open all your Google apps that are available and select the drive. And once the Google Drive loads, you need to create a new document. You need to create a new Google Doc. So go to new and select Google Doc. In order for you to be able to write without typing, you need to utilize the voice typing feature. And you do that by going to tools and you select voice typing. Once you select that, a microphone icon will show on your screen. You can change the language if you want. However, for the sake of this tutorial, we'll stick with English UK. Once you're ready to record, then you just need to click the microphone icon. So I'll do a quick example for you guys, and once I finish, we can discuss. Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please remember to subscribe and hit the notification icon so that you are notified when I post another video. So guys, yeah, it's that simple. Yeah, so simple, so straightforward. Let me just stop recording for a bit now and let me just stop recording. So I'll just hit return so that I can start the next paragraph. Hit record. In this video, I will be showing you how to type without actually lifting a finger. Full stop. So you see guys, really easy, straightforward. There will be some things that you will need to do yourself manually, like tidying up things, maybe tidy up a few words, maybe add some commas and full stops here and there. But it really works. Another wonderful thing about this is that this is a free tool that you can use freely. So long as you have a Google account, you can use it without paying any money. So why don't you guys try this out and let me know in the comment section how you find it, and I'll be sure to read them. And I hope this tutorial was helpful. If this video was helpful, then give it a thumbs up and remember to click the notification icon so that you can be notified when I post another video. Before you go, check out these two videos. The first one showing you how to crop your images in a circle, and the second one showing you how to create an animated video intro. See you in the next video.